I have searched YouTube for a short, direct video on how to replace a Glock trigger, and I've not found one, so I've decided to create my own. So the first thing you always want to do when you're working on a handgun, make sure the gun is unloaded, you have no ammunition anywhere in the room. There's no mag in the gun, no rounds in the chamber. Press the trigger, it's completely empty. Okay, first you want to take the slide off, pull forward, press down on the slide, release, forward, press the trigger, slide comes off. This is the trigger right in here. So to pull that out, we have two pins that we need to push out. One's right here in the back. Let's see this side here. That one comes out, and the other one right up front here. Comes out. Then this block right here needs to be removed. Use a screwdriver and work that up. Then the slide lock comes out. Now the trigger should be free. Just wiggle it up a little bit. And there's the trigger, comes out. Now here what I have is a reset trigger. I'm going to put the reset trigger in and show you how that works. Reset trigger is a trigger that will not allow the handgun to fire. It just allows you to press the trigger, reset, press, reset. So you can practice reset drills. So we just drop that one in. Nice and simple. Let's put the slide lock back in. Like such. The block goes back in. Like that. Make sure that the hole lines up through the block, through the slide lock. Stick the pin back in. May have to work with this a little bit. Slide in. Put the pin in the rear. Now the reset trigger is in place. It works without the slide on, but let's go ahead and complete the process. Slide back in. Now you have the Glock, in this case the Glock 34, with a reset trigger installed. Press, reset, press, reset, press, reset, press, reset. Good for practicing trigger control and reset drills. And that's all there is to it. And to exchange that back out, you just repeat the process.